The pie. Hey, what's up, hello? So we about to my hair's a mess. I need to wash it. What's new? I need to go ahead and cook this chicken. But yeah, I butterflied it. I butterflied the chicken, and it just needs to marinate. I'm just gonna let it marinate for a little bit while I make the macaroni. I don't know. I kind of want to make baked macaroni just because it's gonna take a minute for me to do the chicken. So, but we're gonna see. And then I cut up the cauliflower and green bean, or cauliflower and broccoli that I have as well. So we're gonna see if we can get all that done. Cut up butter to put some butter on top. I need to go ahead and edit my other videos. I have like 2 or 3 ready to go. Well, not ready to go. Okay, butter, and then we layer all the way to the top. More noodles, cheese, etc. Wait, sorry, my elbow's all over the way.
This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as...
Might make the first layer a little thick, but it's okay. It wasn't that thick, actually. And I'm putting most of the cheese right here on this layer.
At times we play together, and at other times we work together. Some people use their Pokemon to battle and develop closer bonds.
Cheese on. Hands are washed, don't worry. My house, not yours. And there we go. Put that on top.
Use your photo from the lineup.
And more butter.
Tell me, what did you miss?
All right, the last layer on. If I would have cooked that full 2-pound box, it would have covered some of these little holes here, but I didn't, and it's okay. Because we like a cheesy noodle, and now the rest of the cheese. Oops. It's okay. The rest of the cheese.
What might his name be? I'll tell you.
And
Mary, Damien, Tyson, Marcus.
looking good. All right.
Marcus, is it? That's your friend's name?
Just try to make it cover as much of the noodles as I can. There we are. All right. Wondering if should I put a little bit more on top, more cheese? I might put a little bit more cheese. Then I pour my mixture over it. Here, let me re-angle my camera here. Y'all see what I'm doing? I kind of just start in the edges, work my way in. Probably could have got away with actually a cup and a half of milk.
Malcolm, Marcus came calling for you a little while ago.
I'm definitely gonna use it all. I don't care. A bit more cheese. There we are. All done. This is the baked macaroni. It's gonna go in the oven. Now I am. And it's in the oven. Gonna get on the chicken next. Right, and this is where we are with the baked macaroni. Sizzling, looking good. I'm taking it out now. And then the chicken is getting flipped. Now I'm gonna just get through the rest of them. Broccoli parm, let's call it. Broccoli cauliflower parm. I'll share all the stuff I put in it if it comes out good. This is going in the oven too for about 25 minutes. All right, we got one out. It looks, I cut it right here. Looks done. Oh, crap. Look, okay, I can't touch it, it's hot. There's a little piece that came off of it. It's sitting on top of the macaroni. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start cooking them one at a time. I don't know. No, I might just still do two. Let me just see if I can find another smaller one, because this one in here is big too, and I don't want to cut them. I want a big piece of chicken, right? I think doesn't that sound good? We did a good job. We did a good job. Said we did a good job. We did a good job. They said it's tasty, yummy, and tasty. I'm about to make my plate in a little bit. Sorry, but I needed to make sure I got y'all. Oh, they look good. Oh, they said this was really good, both of them, without prompt from me. So I think Auntie did a good job. Oh yeah, let me show you the bake. That's the cauliflower broccoli bake that I made with the Parmesan, cream and mushroom, and some other ingredients. Not sure if I showed how everything came out, but this is it. Macaroni, chicken.
That's not your job, is it?
Don't judge my crispy parts. I'm not perfect, but I love cast iron. I love the crispy parts on from the cast iron though. So, and I got compliments. So, oh yeah, this is on the broccoli, cauliflower, cheese. Yes, I did. I set it in the oven when I showed you in the oven. But this is it. What's that do? Not fini. That we? Not fini.
How was the last apprentice I ever took on?
Like I think I'm gonna hopefully my mom, I can record her plate, or I'll remember to record mine. Taka, pussy. Ciao. I'll use a real plate tomorrow. I don't always use paper. It's late. The macaroni sat and you put it in the microwave. Well, that looks delicious. Oh, yeah. Then want to put cheddar cheese in the broccoli because it was already in the macaroni. See, I'm sorry, I'm touching. I'll wash my hands. Look at the pie. Dinner was successful, but thank you all for watching, and please come back. Remember to subscribe before you leave and like the video, share with your friends, and I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ciao.